Welcome to 9479 Sandpiper West Drive, a charming two-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome offering about 1,200 square feet of comfortable living in northwest Indianapolis. Step inside to a bright, welcoming living area with a practical layout that feels open and easy to enjoy for everyday living. The kitchen connects directly to the living space with an open counter, making it perfect for cooking, casual dining, or staying connected while entertaining. You'll also have access to the garage, providing secure parking and extra storage space. Upstairs, the first bedroom offers a comfortable retreat with plenty of flexibility for sleeping, working, or relaxing. A full bathroom is conveniently located on this level, serving both upstairs bedrooms. The second bedroom is bright and versatile, ideal for guests, a home office, or additional living space. Back downstairs, a half bath adds everyday convenience for guests and daily routines. Located just minutes from Eagle Creek Park, nearby trails, shopping, dining, and easy access to I-465, this home offers comfort, location, and flexibility. If it feels like the right fit, schedule a tour and come see 9479 Sandpiper West Drive in person.
You